Hi guys, get ready because today I'm showing you one of my absolute favorite miracle working DIY detoxifying face masks with only 2 ingredients. It will completely transform your skin. I can't wait for you to see it. Also, for a ton more of my DIY home remedy videos, make sure you check my links below and go to my website for an ebook with secrets I don't share on my YouTube channel, as well as live sessions with me and free secrets. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share this video with you guys today. It is one of the most amazing DIY detox face masks you can ever put on your skin, and I'll also be sharing secrets with you throughout the video, so make sure you watch it to the end. Step 1 is to fill up a cup of water that we're going to boil, and this is a key ingredient in our face mask. And by the way, this face mask is only including 2 ingredients. It is so easy yet so powerful. So one of those ingredients is the green tea. I like mine with mint. I will explain all the green tea properties and how amazing it is for skincare, and you can do this by internally drinking it. It will help your skin from the inside out as well as topically, which is why I'm going to show you how to use the tea bag for the face mask. So to prep the tea bag for using as an ingredient in our face mask, you're going to want to let it sit in the boiling water, and I will explain why later. Second ingredient is going to be raspberries, and raspberries are so good to put on your skin, especially in the form of a face mask. So you're going to want to rinse them, and the raspberries are great for acne-prone skin, hyperpigmentation, tightening loose skin, and getting rid of any acne scars. It also works wonderfully to clear out clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads, and make them appear more minimized. So now that we've prepped our 2 ingredients, you're only going to be needing about 6 to 7 raspberries. You can eat the rest, but this is what you're going to need to put on our face. You're also going to be needing a small bowl and a spoon and fork just to make our face mask. Now that the tea bag has been brewing for about 2 minutes, it is time to cut it open with a pair of scissors so we can apply those brewed green tea and mint leaves into the face mask. And both mint and green tea leaves have the power to completely detoxify the face, get rid of clogged pores, help oily skin, as well as work very strongly to prevent acne. Also, there is a very powerful antioxidant called EGCG, which helps DNA repair, helps reduce puffiness, redness, and is a miracle worker for the skin. So mixing in those raspberries with the green tea, we're going to smash and stir it to start creating the face mask. Now, using a fork, it is really important to blend as well as possible so you can then apply it onto the face smoothly and help it really seep into the skin. Now it's finally time to apply it onto the face, and don't forget, during this face mask you can drink the tea, hydrate your skin with some water, and it is all going to help tremendously with the detoxing of your skin. Also, if you're watching right now, comment 4-minute mark in the comment section so I can show you so much love and see who my real loyal subscribers are. Now it's time to apply. I'm just using a little e.l.f. brush that I never really use. It's a foundation brush, and I'm going to use that to apply the face mask all over my skin. Now there is a technique to it, so keep watching and I'll explain. So the key to applying this face mask is to make sure you do it in layers, and make sure you get the globs of the raspberry, the green tea, and mint leaves onto the brush so it really sticks into your skin. This is going to help those really powerful properties become absorbed and start to really detox the skin. Now, I cannot stress enough how insanely well this face mask works. You do have to be patient though, because you want to apply at least 3 layers and let it sit on the skin for 20 minutes. You will feel it tingling a little bit and tightening, but that's good. It means it is getting all the impurities and bad things in your skin out, beginning the detoxifying process. Also want to make sure you get underneath the eyes, around the nose, and anywhere where you notice a little oiliness or clogged pores. So now we're going to let it sit for 20 minutes and you're going to notice it drying and absorbing into the skin. Now that it's been 20 minutes and it's extra red, it is time to rinse it off with some warm water. And there is a technique to this because you're going to want to exfoliate it with a warm cloth as well as your hands, just to get those raspberry seeds and green tea leaves rubbed in circular motions into your skin. As you guys start washing this face mask off, you're going to notice what insanely amazing results it leaves your skin bright, clear, clean. The pores are completely minimized and you have almost no acne. It literally creates a natural glow and it's insane. So I can't wait for you to try it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you so much. Comment down below what you want to see next. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for a new video. Mwah!